Hello, how are you all? As we are going through the parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, etc. We have already seen the noun. Now we are saying pronoun, we are going through pronoun, and in the last my section we got relative pronoun with us. And in relative pronoun, as per I told you that there is something difficult. Somewhat complications are there, and we have done, I think so, whosoever and whoso. Two words are new for us. Now we will continue with the also. Whoever, it comes in our daily routine way. This word we have gone through this. This is a typical type of pronoun. This section is a typical type, but it's needed to understand you. If you will go through books, here Times of India, something else, you will get this all these pronouns in that. Let us have an example for this. This is the pronoun whoever. Comes is welcome by two, by a plural. We can say verb also. This also we can say verb. By comes. Have you gone through this word? We can write whoever came, it will be the past tense. Whoever comes is welcome. So for that, this thing, as I told, reflective, compound reflective pronoun it is. Whoever. Whoever. Understand the word. Whoever comes is welcome. If you will translate, जो भी आता है, वो उसका स्वागत होगा. So here it is come, not come. Whoever come is not the perfect word. Whoever comes, जो भी आता है, this is the we can say in stage of tenses. It is a present perfect tense. So we have to use instead of comes, come. The next sentence. Whichever. Understand it properly. Whichever I have written. Whichever. And what does we speak? Take whichever you like. Can I use something else? Is it right? Take whatever you like. If there are lots of Cadbury's, you like something. Someone like 5-star, someone Dairy Milk, and many much more. So what we will say? Take whatever you like. Yeah, take whichever. Here, my dear students, we all are mistaken. We are using whatever. But the real sense, the real sentence, the real thing, the real pronoun that we have to use, reflective compound pronoun, and that is whichever. Is what does you choose? जो आपको पसंद, whichever. चीज की बात, whichever, take whichever you like. By this, our compound pronouns are finished. Now let's us go to the another video. Take on new pronoun. Pronoun is an essential thing. Another type of pronoun. Let us go. I had taught you earlier also, but again I would like to say, distribute. We are distributing something, such a kind of pronoun. I would like to say again this pronoun because there were some calls from my students that sir, please explain again this thing. And it is also essential, it is also needed. Here we get that it shows a distribution of person, place or thing. As we are distributing our thoughts also, it is distribution of person, place and thing. Let's have some example. Each, either, neither, neither, okay, whatever the pronunciation, the teachers used to say in different forms. Let us have an example. Something distributed. It shows the distribution of person, place or thing. Each of you should do it. Each of you is you. All are there. Each of you have to do grammar practice, exercise. Either of the two has taken my pen. See the word comes, the two. Here we can say all students. Here either of the two persons are combined, and either you, anybody. Then comes neither of them, means many people are there, many students are there. Neither of them has attempted this question. Some may say किसी ने भी ये question attempt नहीं किया. So we are using each for a particular person. Either is used when only two persons are there then, and neither is used for more than two person. So you can understand where you have to use the distributive pronoun, the distribution. We can say you have to be distributive in this form. Each, particular, for one, among all. Either for distribute you have to do the distribution for two. Neither you have to choose somebody from all. Now we will go with our last and final types of pronoun. Only some teacher used to teach this thing, but I would like to teach you. Only 7 types of these pronouns are taught by many of the teachers. If you will go to YouTube, any other channel, let us finish the last one as soon as possible. here reciprocal pronoun. It shows relation with each. It shows relations with each other. Just like the two brothers love each other. There is love, a type of relation between two brothers, each other. Now comes one another. All the members of our family trust one another. एक दूसरे से, they are related. So we are using the reciprocal pronoun in this system, in this sense. So if two person, then if we talk about two person, yeah, if there is a relation between two person, as we are going to the example, we are using each other. We are many times mistaken with this. You keep one another, each other. If you will go for competitive exams in your life, these types of questions will confuse you. Practice it well. Okay, when just remind, only just think that there is a something relation between two person, each other will come. And if there is relations, yani talk, yani something between more than two person, one other comes, you are related to one another. Please try examples from, if I will, if possible, I will send you a sheet, a worksheet for this, especially pronoun, types of pronoun, the uses of pronoun. Please practice it. Thank you very much.